Back in California, Tu Sheng, creator of the controversial 99 Power Kung Fu, is ready to perform the most fantastic Qigong stunt of his career, pulling an 8,000-pound P-15 Mustang fighter plane with his penis.
中文是硬脚虾，不是软脚虾。
Master Tu's last feat was pulling a pickup truck filled with students, but this Mustang P-51 is nearly twice the weight, all balanced on 2 smaller wheels instead of 4 truck tires. Tu must prepare both his body and his mind for such a challenge. He stretches to warm up his muscles and to get his qi flowing. He also takes hits to his body to practice focusing his qi.